Welcome to At Family Reading. This is Lesson 2. I hope you have watched Lesson 1, which is the Add Family. If not yet, please look for it on my YouTube channel. Short vowel sound at family. Let's start with the at family. A, t. Together, you read it as at. At. B. At. B. At. Bat. K. At. K. At. Cat. At. At. Fat. H. At. H. At. Hat. Mm. At. Mm. At. Mat. P. At. P. At. Pat. R. At. R. At. Rat. S. At. S. At. Sat. Now let's have some sight words. She. 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 Has. 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 Wears. 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 Girl. 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 Bench. 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 Mom. 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 Now let's have sentences. She has a bat. She has a bat. My dad wears hat. My dad wears hat. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. The rat is on a mat. The rat is on a mat. The girl is sat on a bench. The girl sat on a bench. Mom pats the cat. Mom pats the cat. You may watch again this tutorial until you already know how to read on your own. You may also check the Add Family tutorial. Thank you. Please share and subscribe.